Hey there, I'm reviewing this Photoil Body Oil, an excellent choice for anyone looking to moisturize and nourish their skin. The generous 260 milliliters bottle provides great value and ensures you have plenty of oil for daily use or relaxing massages. The oil has a smooth and lightweight texture that absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. It leaves the skin feeling soft, hydrated, and refreshed. The light scent is soothing and perfect for unwinding after a long day or enhancing your skincare routine. This oil is suitable for all skin types and works especially well for dry or sensitive skin. It also makes a thoughtful gift for anyone who appreciates high-quality skincare products. I highly recommend this body oil that has a variety of luxurious fragrances like ginger, grapefruit, sandalwood, vanilla, and ylang ylang.